I'm pretty sure when you think about condo living, this is not what comes to mind. I'm Nancy Chapin with Windermere, and today I'm at 15875 Northup Way in the Foxborough community. And this home, with its two-story windows and open loft, and it's light and bright and updated, and really, I know you just want to see it. So let me give you a tour. Let's go. Foxborough is a unique community of 60 units. It's technically a condo built like a townhouse, but really lives like a single family home. Right away, as you come through the entry, that two-story living showcases just how light and bright this home is. It's an open floor plan, and yet the rooms are defined. And with the updated kitchen, with the great room configuration, it just gives you a second living space that also has easy indoor-outdoor access. And it just gives you a more casual hangout. And don't miss the pantry. And as you go upstairs, you realize the openness just continues as you get this great loft bonus space that could be an office or a workout space. And look at that view. And don't miss the walk-in closet in that second bedroom. And the skylight adds so much natural light. And behind those double doors, that primary bedroom is so big with room for a king bed and room to spare. And the ensuite 5-piece bath, well, you just gotta love a deep tub for some serious relaxing. And just under 1,800 square feet of living never felt so big before. And this generously sized private yard expands your living outside for relaxing, entertaining, or gardening. And those are just some of the highlights of this home in Foxborough.